What's up, everybody? It's Mike Stroud, Stroud's Building Supply. I got Mr. Ken Boat rocking and rolling for us. What's up, Ken?
Hello.
He's going up to Asheville. We appreciate our customers up there. Travis Cobb, he's doing a 30 by 50 enclosed building, 16-foot sidewalls. You can get a whole building kit, everything that you're looking for, everything for less than $8 a square foot. That's going to be all your trims. That's going to be all your insulation for your roofing, your walls. That's that reflective foil, R10 insulation that comes with it, keeps it from sweating. That's going to be all your 2x6 yellow pine, number 2 prime, 4 good edges. Look at that lumber. All the 6x6, we use number 1 treated 16-foot post. He's doing his leans. He's got his 30-foot center building with 16-foot leans. That's going to be everything. We're delivering it to them. We deliver nationwide, or we'll deliver you the trusses, the pole barn, the kit, whatever you're looking for. We do installs. We can give you a price on what it would cost in your area to do installs locally. But give us a call at 828-413-4201, 828-413-4201, and get yourself a pole barn building. We keep them in stocks, 20s, 24s, 30s, 40s. We go up to 60-foot clear span. There's Jed on the forklift making things happen. So we're doing things. We're going nationwide. We've got the best prices, the best building system out there that you're looking for. So give us a call or visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com.